Hello everyone, how is it going? Arif Education TV welcomes you after a while to watch Correct Your Pronunciation episode number 2. Dear friends, today we are going to talk about some common words that we use in everyday life, but we struggle to pronounce correctly. We know the meanings of most of them or all of them, but when it comes to pronouncing correctly, we have problems. As a result, when native speakers speak using those words in sentences, we have problems. That means, in order for us to be able to understand native speakers very well, we need to know how to pronounce them properly. That means we have to pronounce similar to the way they do. And that should be the solution for our problems. Let's see those words quickly. We say pay. Many of us paid, grow, grew, grown, draw, drew, drawn, fly, flew, flown, blow, blew, blown, throw, threw, thrown, tear, tore, torn. I have pronounced all of them, but the question is, have I been able to pronounce them correctly or not? 100% not. Okay? What I mean is, I have pronounced the way many of us do, and they are absolutely incorrectly done. So the correct way we have to pronounce, please follow me, listen to me very carefully, and you speak at the same time. I don't want you to just sit down carelessly, follow me, and forget everything. That means you have to follow me while pronouncing them at the same time. Okay, so let's start. This is not pay, this is pay. Pay. The past and past participle forms are the same. Paid, paid. I have also put the noun form of pay, which is not payment, it's payment. If you can pronounce pay correctly, you can pronounce it correctly as well. Pay, then meant. Payment. Okay? Then here it's grow. My main focus is in the middle column where we have all the past forms of the verb. Okay? That's where we have the main problems. But for your understanding, it's best to do all of them. Okay? So it's grow. Then it's not grew that I pronounced incorrectly previously. It's grew. Okay? Make sure it's not grew, it's grew. Okay? G-R-E-W. Then grown. Draw. We all know. I just want to tell you each of these, okay? We will put them in sentence making as well. So please be patient. So drew, D-R-E-W, again, it's not drew. Okay? Similar to grew. Drew, then drawn. Fly, not flew. Again, F-L-E-W, it's flew. Then flown. Blow, not blew, it's blew. Okay? Like blow, blew, blown. Throw, it's not threw, it's threw. Throw, threw, thrown. Then this one, even in the present form, many of us are very much mistaken. It's not tear, it's tear. Tear. Okay? The past form is toe. Okay? The past participle is tone. Tear, toe, tone. Let's apply each of these, especially from the middle, or some of them will also have the present form, to sentence making. For example, I can say, I will give you $100, but we can say pay you. Okay? In business we say that a lot. So simply P-A-Y. I will pay you $100. Bucks is the slang type word. Okay? Same thing as dollar. Did you make the? Now when we get the meaning of pay in a different way, like for payment, we can borrow the word make. So that means make payment will be equivalent to pay. Did you make the payment? Yes, I made the payment. Done. The farmers, obviously you can see, it's related to this one. Grew, G-R-E-W. The farmers grew a lot of paddy in the field. I hope, dear friends, you understand each of the sentences, okay, how they are being written here. The child, what did the child do? Drew, okay, D-R-E-W, drew the picture. Then I, not flew, because this is a big mistake, okay, I mean very commonly mistaken by many non-native English speakers. So, flew. I flew from Sydney to London. Please try to understand how I pronounce the whole sentence. Okay, so every sentence is coming from different words. Okay, so every word has to be listened to very carefully. The referee, similar to umpire, the referee blew the whistle. Okay, during the game, the referee can do, let's say there is a match between Argentina and Brazil. Okay, maybe when it's the end of the game, the middle of the game, he can blow the whistle. So it's in the past, blew. The boy threw the ball to me. Okay, so when the ball is thrown by someone to me, that's how you say. So it's threw, not threw again. Why did you, not tear, tear, T-E-A-R, tear the book, of course, question mark. The girl tore, okay, T-O-R-E, tore the letter into pieces. So how did you find this episode? I hope you have really enjoyed watching it. And if you have done so, please do not forget to press your thumbs up to the like button. Share it, because there is a proverb, sharing is caring. So share and stand by other friends. If you're new to the channel and would love to watch more interesting episodes, please do not forget to subscribe it and press the ring bell next to the subscribe button. And you can write as many comments as you like under the screen. Have a beautiful day.